In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase AdsPower uploading speed. If your uploads in AdsPower feel slower than they should, one of the biggest factors to look at is the protocol being used to route your internet traffic. This can have a major effect on how efficiently your system sends large files upstream, especially when you're working through a proxy. The first thing you want to check is your proxy protocol. If your current setup is using HTTP, switch it over to SOCKS 5. In many cases, SOCKS 5 is better suited for handling data packets efficiently because it does not keep rebuilding packet headers the way HTTP often does. That can reduce extra overhead and help improve upload performance. To make this change, open your profile settings, find the proxy type section, and select SOCKS 5 instead. Once that's updated, save your settings and use that profile for your next upload test so you can compare the difference. The next thing to focus on is the type and quality of the proxy itself. Free or very cheap data center proxies often look attractive at first, but they usually come with a trade-off: shared bandwidth. That means your connection may be competing with a large number of other users at the same time, which can significantly reduce upload speed and create inconsistent performance. If you want more stable and faster uploads, move away from those low-cost shared nodes. Instead, switch to a static residential, also known as ISP proxy or a premium mobile proxy package. These options generally provide cleaner, less congested channels and are far less likely to be throttled under heavy use. As a result, your uploads can move more consistently and with fewer slowdowns. If you apply both of these changes together by using SOCKS 5 and upgrading to a higher quality proxy type, you'll give AdsPower a much better path for faster uploads and more reliable performance.